From urban planning to worksite monitoring, drones are an integral part of capturing the ground reality. With Spectra, you can now create a digital snapshot of the fast-changing ground reality in near real time and cut down survey times by over 80%. Spectra requires no investment in the form of specialized hardware or multiple licenses, allowing anyone to make high-quality digital twins from their drone data. Leverage the power of Metashape and the convenience of cloud computing for simplified two-click processing of your drone data. Unlimited AI-assisted GCP marking ensures that your maps and models are accurate down to the centimeter. Get survey-grade orthomosaic maps and digital elevation models with a fraction of the effort. Simplify your workflow with easy visualization features and processing templates. Process over 100 sites in parallel with the power of the cloud. Never worry about capacity crunch again for mapping multiple sites. Generate derived outputs like contours, spot levels, and digitize features using AI. Process without worries. Spectra supports all the DJI drones, including the Enterprise series. Processing just got a lot easier with Spectra.